how to use Visa card on TikTok Shop. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to use your Visa card when purchasing items in TikTok Shop. So open your TikTok Shop over here and look over here at the top. At the top, you have your different sections over here, different menus, different features. Scrolling to the right, you will be able to see payments. Clicking this will allow us to see our payments over here. Next step is to click on Add Payment Method, which under here, as you can see, has the option Add Credit or Debit Card. Now, simply enter your Visa card information over here. As you can see, beside the card number, you can see the Visa icon or the Visa symbol over here, meaning you are able to utilize Visa card with TikTok Shop. After entering, simply click on Submit and you will be able to have that as a payment method. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.